I get asked this all the time. Is CCP still required, or is it outdated? The short answer is yes. But maybe not in the way you think. Hi, I'm Felicia Loo, CCP and SQF consultant, helping food businesses build practical food safety systems and pass their audits. CCP is still the foundation of food safety. What has changed is how it is applied. In Canada and the US, CCP principles are built into preventive control programs and food safety plans. So if you skip CCP, thinking it no longer matters, what happens? You usually end up with gaps that inspectors will catch. The problem is not CCP, the problem is overcomplicated CCP plans that do not match real operations. The takeaway is this: CCP is not going away. It just needs to work for your business. Let us help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.